New summer must-haves from Patrick Ta Beauty, the brand new beauty line Point of View by Michaela. Spring makeup trends are finally here. Fun collaborations you definitely need to try, and much more. Let's catch up on the latest on what's happening in the beauty and influencer community. Welcome back to another episode of Influencer Weekly. Well, hello friends. I hope you are doing well. If you are new here, this is Influencer Weekly. This is a bi-weekly newsletter that I send out via email and also on Instagram. And I thought it would be fun to put this on YouTube so you can have like an audio version of this if you want to hear the latest stuff that's happening, but you just don't have time to read anything. I totally get it. All right, getting started with page number 1. If you haven't checked out the new Patrick Ta Beauty body collection, oh my goodness, you are missing out. So beauty TikToker Green Eggs and Glam has been raving about this whole collection, and just seeing the swatches alone, they look absolutely amazing. I am totally here for looking more dewy and glowy, especially for springtime. From the moments you see this packaging, it is stunning, and you know this collection was created with pure elegance in mind. And of course, the products are designed to give you that perfect summer glow, with each item blending seamlessly into your skin, leaving you looking radiant and bronzed. So whether you're a fan of body oils, the shimmer powders, or the body mist, Green Eggs and Glam highly recommends trying this whole collection for that flawless sun-kissed finish. So definitely I am adding this to cart right now. So a springtime makeup trend that seems to not ever go away is using cream products, obviously. And lately, a lot of brands have been coming out with like stick blushes and bronzers, which I love because now you have a variety to pick from different like price points. Lots of these different brands are coming out with these beautiful dewy products that are blushes and highlighters and contours and bronzers, all these things, and they're just perfect for really quick on-the-go makeup. And I don't know about you guys, but seriously, when it's like spring and summer and it's just like way too hot here in Southern California, I really like to be light on my makeup. So the more brands that I can find that come out with these type of like multi-sticks where I could just use one or two and just get a little bit of a touch up, basically just to add a pop of color and some definition to my face. Give me some mascara and I'm good to go. All right, speaking of spring/summer makeup and multi-sticks, I recently saw a video by beauty YouTuber Andrea. She recently raved about the new CoverGirl's True Blend Skin Enhancers, which I think is really funny because a lot of brands are releasing these type of multi-sticks and they all look very, very similar. However, these looked really nice. She mentioned that they're just like easy to blend and lightweight, which gave her like a really natural, like dewy glow. I love how versatile this line is from CoverGirl because they do have highlight, contour, and blushes with shades that suit like every skin tone, and these are really affordable. I also love the packaging, even though, like I said, a lot of brands are kind of going after the same style, but I think they're going to be perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. That way, these aren't going to take up too much space, like in your purse, or you put this in your like pool bag. I think it's perfect. These are definitely going to be a staple for the spring and summertime. They give a really nice, light, radiant finish without anything heavy on your skin. So definitely add these to your cart. I have been seeing this product around for quite a while now. This is from Makeup Forever, and this is their new Super Boost Skin Tint. And first of all, the packaging is really unique and cool. I love that it's very slim. That way it just doesn't take a lot of space in your makeup bag. I've been seeing quite a few influencers kind of just like reviewing and demoing this, and I just added this to my cart yesterday because the coverage looks absolutely amazing and the finish just looked flawless. So even though it is a skin tint, it is like a lightweight buildable formula. So it's like a sheer to medium coverage, which is great. But it's also gonna give you like a radiant, healthy skin glow without feeling like heavy. This is definitely going to be perfect for those hot days when you want some coverage, but nothing to feel too intense or heavy on your face. It does mention on the website that this skin tint has hydrating ingredients in it, providing up to 72 hours of moisture, which is great. Some of the reviews have said that it gives the ability to just even out your skin tone, smooth fine lines, and just making out a really standout skin tint. I don't think I have tried a Makeup Forever foundation that I haven't liked, so I have high expectations for this and I'll keep you guys posted. I recently came across a beauty TikToker, Christy Hoffman, and she recently shared the new Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. I had no idea that they had a skin tint out already. Obviously, everyone knows and loves, for the most part, their face primer, so they just recently came out with the skin tint. First of all, obviously the packaging is really, really cute. I love the bright color as always with their packaging. She mentioned how much she loves how lightweight and natural it is. It is definitely light coverage, but it just evened out her complexion beautifully. Kind of similar to the Makeup Forever one, this one also is going to give you the radiant, dewy glow, making it perfect obviously for a fresh, healthy look. This one though is formulated with SPF 30, so you get a little bit of sun protection, and it not only enhances the skin's appearance, but it also protects you from the sun. I was sold just by watching this TikTok because it looked really beautiful, and this is another item I have added to my cart. Okay, beauty lovers, hold on to your brushes because ColourPop just dropped the most adorable collection with Disney, the Toy Story collection. From Woody to Buzz Lightyear, this collection is bringing all the nostalgia and vibrant vibes. The launch features an eyeshadow palette with 12 stunning shades, plus blushes, lip products, and a super cute highlighter. The eyeshadow palette is going for $24, the blushes are $10, and the lips are $9 each. So whether you're channeling your inner Space Ranger or cowboy chic, this collection is perfect for creating bold, playful looks. If you're a Toy Story fan, this one is a must-have. Pixi just dropped their new lip marker collection, and it's everything we need for spring and for summer. So these are a lightweight, long-lasting marker that gives a perfect pop of color with a natural matte finish. These are ideal for the no-fuss, effortless makeup days. The formula is infused with aloe vera and vitamin E, so it keeps your lips feeling soft and hydrated all day. Whether you're going to make a bold statement or a subtle tint, these markers make it easy to swipe on a color with precision. At just $14 each, they're a total steal for a fresh, summer-ready pout. This next release, I cannot wait to try this out because the packaging is literally everything. This next launch I have been anxiously waiting for, but this is from Glow Recipe, and this is their new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. So they describe it as a brightening serum blush that effortlessly enhances your natural beauty. First of all, I'm obsessed with the packaging, and you can apply this on the lips for that perfect monochromatic look. They say that this innovative product combines skincare and makeup, featuring niacinamide to brighten and even your skin tone, while delivering a dewy flush of color. So this serum blush is priced at $25 each. This is already available at Sephora, but there's only 2 shades right now. So here's to crossing fingers that they expand this line because I know it's going to be great. Oh my goodness, get ready beauty lovers because TikTok star Michaela is launching her own skin prep line. This collection is all about creating the perfect canvas for your makeup with products like Drip It Serum, a glow boosting serum, a moisturizer for hydration, and a Glaze It primer to make your makeup stick all day. As I'm recording this, she has sold out of a lot of her products. Here's to crossing my fingers that I can get the restock of the bundle because these look amazing. I shared with you guys in the last Influencer Weekly about the Wicked Movie and Kiss Beauty collection. So this is just a little bit of an update because I was able to finally find them in person. They are available at CVS, Walmart, and also Ulta Beauty. So this is such a beautiful press-on nail collection. They also have eyelashes, which I just recently found out. I definitely suggest going to Ulta Beauty to check out this collection because you can use your coupons to get some money off. But seeing the designs in person and then actually applying the set, oh my goodness, I have been literally obsessed. These are so cute. I love all the details of the nails and they're just so Wicked coated. I'm literally obsessed. So if you are a Wicked fan and also a press-on nail fan, Kiss Beauty has some really great nails. Great quality, they last really long. So definitely go check them out. We have a new release from Desi's Skin line. This is the Pink Nectar Oil Serum, which is claiming to be a game changer for your skincare routine. This is supposed to be a lightweight oil serum hybrid that penetrates deeply to deliver long-lasting hydration without that greasy finish. It has a lot of awesome ingredients in here, and it's supposed to just lock in that moisture and just leaving your skin natural and healthy glowing. First of all, the color is pink and I'm obsessed. The bottle is really cute and this just sounds fantastic. This is going to be priced at $58 and Pink Nectar is now available on Desi Skin's official website. Supporting creators like Desi is a wonderful way to contribute to their success, so if you're looking to elevate your skincare game, I highly recommend giving Pink Nectar a try. This next brand I've actually never heard of until recently on Instagram. This is like the newest skincare brand that has hit Ulta Beauty, and it's already making waves with bold, flower-inspired packaging in vibrant, fun colors. This line features a range of products designed to brighten, hydrate, renew, and clarify the skin. Some of their standout items are like their Pure Vitamin C, their Marigold Brightening Serum, and also Pure Retinol. The best part? Wildflower's prices are super accessible, with products ranging from $18 to $34. While the brand's origins aren't really fully disclosed of like where they started, it's already available both in-store and online at Ulta Beauty. If you're looking for a skincare that combines effectiveness and eye-catching design, definitely check these guys out. Is Morphe in their comeback era? I have been seeing this new launch all over my For You page on TikTok, and so many people have been raving about the new blushes that Morphe came out with. These blushes are giving major spring vibes with like their bright and vibrant shades. This definitely comes off as a possible potential dupe for Patrick Ta's blushes, offering that like similar tones and smooth buildable formula for like that natural flush. The blush trios come in 4 gorgeous color combinations, perfect for every skin tone, and are priced at just $16. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative to the high-end blushes that still offer that flawless dewy finish, definitely check these out. I was scrolling on Instagram recently and saw a post from Dr. Mark Hyman, and he mentioned how France is leading the way in banning forever chemicals, like from cosmetics, clothing, and like other products. Very interesting research here that starting in 2026, France will be banning these certain chemicals in those categories with a full ban by 2030. And they will be taking it very seriously because companies will also be held financially responsible for pollution. But this is definitely a huge step forward, prioritizing public health and environmental safety over profit. So we could definitely be taking some notes from France. And that is it for this week's Influencer Weekly. I always love to end on a quote of the day, and this is by Martin Luther King Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. I hope you guys have the best rest of your day. Thank you so much for listening. Again, if you want to sign up for the email newsletter, that will be linked down below for you guys. See you soon.